Hi friends, this is 5 minutes YouTube channel. Here is Nothing Phone One smartphone. In this video, you will know how to set dark mode in your phone Nothing Phone One. First, go to the settings of your Nothing Phone One, and here click on display. Click on display. Now click on dark theme. Will never turn on automatically. Just turn it on, and dark mode will be applied. Yes. Wow, it's very useful when you are using your phone in night time or low light. If you want to schedule, just click on schedule, and you can turn on at custom time or turn on from sunset to sunrise. So if you set sunset to sunrise, automatically between those times dark mode be automatically applied. If you set your own time, click here and you can set start time here. So I would like to uh, here I would like to set 7 p.m. that is this start time, and I would like to end on 5 a.m. itself, and I click on OK. So in this way you can easily set a schedule, and between this schedule dark mode will be automatically applied. As of now you don't need to use dark mode instant, and you have already set custom schedule, and between this schedule this time dark mode will be automatically applied. Now time is 6:05 p.m. and if it reaches 7 p.m. automatically it will be applied, dark mode will be applied. So if you want to have only instant dark mode, then only you have to turn on this button here. See here, I go to settings again and click on display, and you have to turn on this button. If you want to have it only instant, then only you can turn on this button. If you turn off it, light mode will appear. This way you can easily control dark mode and customize dark mode in your phone Nothing Phone One. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.